The last episode is about centroids and moment of inertia. In this episode, we will solve some MCQs on centroid and moment of inertia. Let's start. First question: the centroid of a right circular cone of height h lies at a distance dash dash from vertex along the axis of rotation. Actually, we know from centroid of a right circular cone of a height h at a distance h by 4 from the base. But here we have to find out the distance from vertex. Hence, h minus h by 4 is equal to 3h by 4. The centroid of a cross section is at geometrical center? No. Point about which moment of inertia is 0? No. Point about which moment of area is 0 is the right answer. Moment of inertia of a section is lowest if it is taken about an axis passing through centroid of the section. The product of the inertia of a section is equal to 0 if the section is essentially symmetrical about at least one axis. The unit of moment of inertia of an area is m raised to 4. The center of gravity of a homogeneous body is the point at which the whole weight of the body is assumed to be concentrated. What is the formula of a theorem of a perpendicular axis? The actual formula is IZZ is equal to IYY plus IXX. Remember, the axis about which moment of an area is taken is known as axis of reference. Point where the total volume of the body is assumed to be concentrated. Total volume, centroid of a volume. The maximum moment of inertia of a section is usually about major principal axis. The next, a uniform metal disc of radius r is taken and out of it disc of diameter r is cut off from the end. The centroid of remaining part will be. We have asked centroid of remaining part means moment of inertia. See, here we have to use a centroid of a composite figure. From this information, we can draw this diagram. This is a circle having radius r and this is a circle having diameter r. We have to cut this circle from this circle and we have to calculate centroid of remaining part. See the options: centroid from center. Hence, if we take here y-axis and here x-axis, then this circle is symmetrical about y-axis and x-axis. Then we can find out capital X bar or capital Y bar. Centroid of x means coordinates of this centroid of this circle are 0, 0. Let's start. A1 pi r square x1 bar 0 because we already studied when the figure is symmetrical about both axes, then x1 bar is 0, also y1 bar is also 0. Then A2. A2 means for this small circle pi r by 2 square. X2 bar. Now x2 bar means centroid of this circle, distance from this y to this centroid of small circle, and the distance is r by 2. Hence x2 bar is equal to r by 2. Hence put the value in this standard formula. We get r by 6. Answer is r by 6 from center. Moment of inertia is a concept applicable in the case of a rotating body. Again, three identical circular plates are placed touching each other with their centroids laying on a straight line. Their center are marked P, Q, R respectively. The distance of the centroid of the system from P is means the centroid of first circle. Let's see. Three identical plates are placed touching each other with their centroids laying on a straight line. Their centroids are marked as P, Q, R respectively. The distance of a centroid of the system from P is, hence this is y bar, this is x bar. Now again we have to use formula for centroid of a composite figure. What we have to do in this? Capital X bar is equal to A1 x1 bar plus A2 x2 bar plus A3 x3 bar upon A1 plus A2 plus A3. Okay. Then consider R is the here we take capital R, hence you can write small r for finding out difference between these two r's, but in formula I take capital R, you can understand. Pi r square into 0, why 0? Because the centroid of this circle lies here, and the distance of centroid of this circle from y bar and x bar is 0, because this circle is symmetrical about x axis and y axis, hence their centroid lies on the intersection of these two axes. Okay, but for this figure x2 bar is this r plus this r, means PQ. Again for third, PQ plus QR. Okay, pi r square into 0, A2 pi r square again, because the three circles are identical, into distance PQ. Here pi r square into distance PR, and pi r square into 3. Now this r square, if we take common, then cancel it, or cancel it, we get the answer pi r square, pi r cancel, then we get answer PQ plus PR divided by 3. The option is B. C. The axis about which moment of area is taken is known as, I think this question is repeated. The answer is axis of reference. C. Axis of reference is the axis about which moment of area is taken. Most of the times they are standard axis x or y. Most of the times they are standard axis x or y, but this axis is called as axis of reference. The distance of a centroid of the T-shape plane from O is, here we taken from question diagram, from question it says, see this point is O. We have to take this figure as figure number first, and from here figure number second. we have to use centroid for composite figure formula. Then here we can find out y bar easily, because we have to find out the centroid on y-axis. Then a1 y1 plus a2 y2, here we have to use bar sign, upon a1 plus a2. a1 8 into 2 16, and this is symmetrical about x and y axis, so 0 plus this second figure 6 into 8 minus 3 minus 3, means 6 into 2 12, into y bar is distance from x axis or distance on y axis. So from here to the center of this, height of this is 6, from 3 plus this 1 4, 12 into 4 upon 60, 16 plus 12, we get answer 1.7.